CSIR National Aerospace Laboratories at Bangalore launched a groundbreaking project, the development of a high-altitude platform HAP vehicle. HAP, a solar-powered, autonomous unmanned aerial vehicle designed and developed indigenously for a day and night operations at high altitudes of 18 to 20 kilometers, residing in the stratosphere, the layer of atmosphere that extends from 6 to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. HAP vehicle is a game changer. Its potential applications are vast, from maritime and land surveillance to environmental monitoring, land border control, telecommunications, emergency communications, and intelligent transport systems.
HAP have extreme endurance and can stay aloft for up to 90 days and over a single geographical location. This is what distinguishes them from other conventional UAVs such as the well-known Global Hawk or Predator. HAPs combine the geographical persistence of a geostationary satellite with the flexibility of retasking and redeployment of an aircraft. This makes them unique in capability and fills an existing gap between aircraft and satellite.
HAP vehicle technology is poised to revolutionize telecommunication and beyond. Recently, between 23 January and 2 February to 2024, scientists at the CSIR National Aerospace Laboratories in Bangalore conducted a sequence of flight trials lasting over 10 days for a subscale of a high-altitude pseudo-satellite HAPS, a lightweight solar-powered UAV. It has unique features: fully equipped, lightweight, with the weight of less than 22 kilograms and wingspan of 12 meters. The trial was conducted at the Defense Research and Development Organization's Aeronautical Test Range (ATR) in Challakere, Karnataka.
NAL, as we call it, has been carrying out aerospace research and technology development for more than 6 decades as a government-funded civilian aerospace lab in the sector, and we are also known internationally in this area. We have now taken up a very challenging project on a high-altitude platform system which is designed to operate persistently in the stratosphere. If we achieve that goal, this will be the first for India and will put the country in the league of nations, very few nations which are attempting this challenge. This will be a very good example of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Positioned among the top nations in the HAPS technology, India has marked a significant milestone after United Kingdom and South Korea. Several startups are in the race to develop similar vehicles and also offer potential for collaboration. Looking forward, the goal is ambitious. It will be able to fly for 90 days in upcoming trials, with a full-sized airframe set for completion by 2027. Stay tuned as India takes a giant leap in the aerospace realm, with HAP leading the way into a future where the sky is no longer the limit.